You never get a second chance to make a first impression, and often a smile is the best first impression. But what if you don't like your smile? It is time to do something about your teeth. Dr. Jeff Gray from Sedation and Cosmetic Dentistry is here along with your patient, Amber. Good morning to both of you and happy holidays.
Good morning.
So I'm going to go straight to you, Amber, and kind of hear your story. And I'm assuming that you would smile in the mirror and not like what you saw.
Yes, I actually grew up always hating my smile. I was 12 and I had a bike accident and I went over the handlebars and knocked my front tooth out. Oh. And back then, we didn't know about the milk trick of putting your lost tooth in milk. So sadly to say, I was without a tooth and I had to wear a temporary partial that came in and out. And so that was a tough way to grow up. And
Sure.
as we know that your smile really reflects who you are.
This was you before you went to Dr. Gray, and I think you're beautiful, but I could see why you would have felt that this isn't the look that you wanted for yourself. What was it like going through the process and then looking in the mirror after and seeing the finished product?
Oh, it was wonderful. It really was. The office and all the staff, they make you feel very comfortable. And we really sat down and discussed options, the details of how I wanted my new bridge to be. We did a teeth whitening before so that then I could have a brighter bridge so that when I smiled my whole mouth would light up. And it was minor swelling, obviously, just with minor surgery. But the process was very easy.
Very easy. And then look at you now, you're glowing. Beautiful smile. Dr. Gray, tell me about, Amber's one of your patients. You have a lot of stories like this, though. People that come to you and saying, I want to feel the best I can feel about myself.
It's, and we're close to Christmas, but sometimes every day I do feel like Santa Claus because we get to give a present to people. And, the gift of a smile is something that is so... It's more than just your teeth. It's about your whole personality, your confidence and things. And, we had a lady yesterday that couldn't even talk to me. She came and just gave me this big hug. And that was the greatest, gift I could have gotten right there back. And so, it's more than, it's some people maybe they want to be able to feel confident when they smile. They want to,
Sure.
just feel good about themselves when they look in the mirror. And so that's a gift we can give people.
Well, let's talk about another gift that you're giving right now. You really are Santa. Because this is fantastic. If you book an appointment now through December the 20th, here's your chance for $199. You guys are doing laser whitening for folks. And 100% of that money goes to bringing home wounded warriors for the holidays. Tell me about this program.
Well, we work a lot with the Warrior Foundation and Freedom Station right in here in town is where the guys that have been hurt in the war, it's a transition back to regular life after they've been injured. And so a lot of them, don't have the funds to maybe fly home for Christmas. And so
think about that.
Sandy and I, or the lady who runs the Freedom Station for them, I said, how about if we help and contribute some money? And so all the money we raised, 100% of that $199, we're just going to hand to the warriors to be able to give them a great Christmas.
To buy some plane tickets and get these men and women home. And then what do you get out of it? Well, for $199, you get a bright white smile, and that's huge as well. Sedation dentistry is something that's becoming more and more talked about. I was just discussing this with my family of how we just hate the sound of the drill and the dentist always makes us nervous. Talk about what is sedation dentistry, and it kind of takes the fear out of all this.
It is, and it's just a great way to... Coming to the dentist is probably never the highlight of anyone's life, but this just makes it a very peaceful process. It's very safe. It's very comfortable.
No one's knocked out, by the way, in case people thinking that that's what we're talking about.
No, it's just like you're in a dreamlike state. If I say, Heather, how you feeling? A second or two later, you'll say, oh, I'm fine. Why are you waking me up? I'm sleeping. I'm resting here. And so it's very peaceful. It's very comfortable. The anesthetic works better. It kind of speeds up the time so you don't realize the time you're there. And it's very safe. When you wake up, you don't feel like you have a hangover or anything. You just feel like, man, I just took a good nap, but I got my brand new smile.
Sure, and you're feeling good about yourself at the end of it, and you didn't have to go through any sort of uncomfortableness during it because you were under the sedation, which is great. Again, if you want to take part in this amazing offer, I want to share it with our folks once again. It's going on now through December the 20th. $199 gets you laser whitening, and 100% of the proceeds go to the Warrior Foundation Freedom Station. Basically, you're paying for a plane ticket to fly a wounded warrior home for the holidays. Here's all the information on your screen. Go to the website, smilesandiego.com. Amber, one more time, let's just get back to you real quick. Tell folks at home what it's like to go from not feeling confident about your smile to looking in the mirror and saying, this is amazing.
Well, if you don't have a good smile, it holds you back in a lot of areas. Socially, especially. I just got married. So,
Congratulations.
Yes,
It worked. My bridge
did.
worked.
Help you find love, if
And
anything.
that's one of the very first things that he noticed about me was my smile, and he loves my smile. And he makes me smile quite a bit, actually.
There you go.
So my confidence has been restored, and I feel like that I can just go out and talk to anybody now and meet new people, and I don't feel as shy like I did before.
And here you are on television. Probably never thought you'd end up doing this, right?
Exactly.
All right, Amber, thank you so much. And Dr. Gray, thank you for everything that you're doing as far as making San Diegans feel whole again, just like Amber.
We're happy to do it.
All right, again, smilesandiego.com is the website.